Hey guys, hope you are doing well. This is the voice behind Biologist, and today I'll be discussing with you guys about biological levels of organization. In this lecture, we learn about what are biological levels of organization and 10 biological levels of organization. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Biology is the study of life. Since life is such a broad topic, scientists break it down into several different levels of organization to make it easier to study. These levels start from the smallest unit of life and work up to the largest and most broad category. Biological levels of organization. Its smallest level is atom and the largest one is biosphere. Atomic level. Atoms make up everything. Everything in the universe is made up of atoms. The atom is the smallest and most fundamental unit of matter. Atom. Smallest unit into which matter can be divided and still retain the characteristic properties of an element. Molecular level. Scientists assume that life on Earth started at molecular level. Molecules that make up living organisms are called biological molecules. There are 4 fundamental biological molecules: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. Molecule. The smallest physical unit of an element or compound consisting of 1 or more like atoms in an element and 2 or more different atoms in a compound. Organelle level and cell level. Biomolecules assemble in a particular way to form organelles. Organelles are actually subcellular units that assemble together to form cells. Each type of organelle is specialized to perform a particular function. For example, mitochondria are specialized for cellular respiration and ribosomes are specialized for protein synthesis. Some organisms consist of a single cell and others are multicellular. Cells are classified as prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotes are single-cell or colonial organisms that do not have membrane-bound nuclei. In contrast, the cells of eukaryotes do have membrane-bound organelles and a membrane-bound nucleus. Organelle is a specialized part of a cell having some specific function. A cell organ. Cell. Smallest entity of matter that possesses life or basic unit of life. Now here's a fun fact. Scientists concluded that the average human body contains approximately 37.2 trillion cells. Tissue level is present in higher organisms only. Tissues are of various types ranging from a hard bone to liquid that is blood. Tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specialized function. Organ level. In higher multicellular organisms, more than one type of tissue having related functions are organized together to make a unit called organ. Organ is a group of tissues into a distinct structure as a heart or kidney in animals or a leaf or stamen in plants that performs a specialized task. Organ system level. The next level of organization in the multicellular organism is organ system level. The digestive system breaks food down into nutrients that can be absorbed by the body. Mouth, stomach, and intestine are some essential organs of digestive system. Individual level. Different organs and organ system are organized together to form an individual or organism. Species. Group of organisms that are capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Population level. Biologists study interaction among members of the same species living in the same habitat. Population is the assemblage of a species type of organism living in a given area or all the individuals of one species in a given area. Community level. An interacting group of various species in a common location. For example, A forest of trees and underground plants inhabited by animals and rooted in soil containing bacteria and fungi constitute a biological community. A community is an assemblage of different populations interacting with one another within the same environment. Ecosystem: a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Biosphere level: the part of Earth inhabited by organisms, communities is known as biosphere. It constitutes all ecosystems and is called the zone of life on Earth. The biosphere is made up of the parts of Earth where life exists. The biosphere extends from the deepest root systems of trees to the dark environment of ocean trenches to lush rainforests and high mountain tops. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Biologist.